Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best engraver enclosure is probably one of the most crucial accessories for any laser engraving enthusiast. It's not just about containing the laser, it's about ensuring a safe, efficient, and enjoyable experience. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of laser engraver enclosures, exploring their features, benefits, and what to look for when choosing the perfect one for your needs. Number 5. Laser engraver enclosure with vent. This laser enclosure utilizes high-quality fire-retardant plexiglass fiber with a double-sided silicone coating. It can withstand temperatures up to 1000 degrees. You can't burn through it with a lighter within 5 minutes, ensuring maximum isolation from fire hazards. The enclosed design effectively isolates fumes, burning odors, and noises generated during the engraving process. An extractor fan can be used to exhaust smoke and odors, while soundproofing materials reduce noise. This protects your safety and health, providing a more comfortable engraving experience. This laser engraver enclosure offers a super large space of 27.5 by 27.5 by 18 inches, 700 by 700 by 460 millimeters. It's compatible with most engraving machines on the market, such as Fiber Co. 2K40 laser engravers, as long as the size is within this range. The higher design also allows for the placement of rollers to meet your needs. It's made from waterproof fabric tiers, high-quality steel tubes, and reinforced connectors. A zippered dustproof cover keeps your machine clean and is easy to maintain. The viewing window is made of blue light filtering PVC, protecting your eyes without the need for goggles. It comes with clear installation instructions, allowing you to assemble it in minutes without special tools or skills. It features folding storage, saving space, and is lightweight for easy carrying. What we like. This enclosure boasts advanced fireproof technology, ensuring maximum safety during your engraving projects. It effectively insulates against smoke and odors, creating a more comfortable workspace. If you're concerned about safety and want a reliable enclosure, you should consider this. What people say. Very sturdy with heavy fabric and a zipper that slides easily. It does a great job with containing smoke smell fumes provided you have an adequate ventilation fan attached. Assembled really easily and the plastic fabric feels thick and durable. Number 4. Longarray 510W Laser Engraver. This laser engraver utilizes advanced dual beam technology, achieving rapid engraving speeds. It can effortlessly cut through various materials, making it perfect for both professionals and hobbyists. With a generous 400 by 400 mm working area, it provides ample space for your projects. You can also expand the work area with an extension kit, increasing its capacity by 200%. Equipped with a 32-bit core motherboard, it ensures stable and smooth operation. Data transfer is easy with Wi-Fi, USB, app, and TF card options. It also supports offline operation, and the 3.5-inch touchscreen makes it more convenient to use. The machine comes with a protective cover and glasses to shield your eyes. It also features an automatic stop function if any abnormal shaking is detected, ensuring your safety. The product is easy to assemble with included tools and a detailed guide. You'll also receive ongoing technical support and 24-hour customer service. Contact them anytime if you have any questions. What we like. This laser engraver offers impressive power and a large work area, perfect for both professionals and hobbyists. It also includes safety features to protect you during operation. If you are looking for a powerful and versatile laser engraver, this is the one for you. What people say. I can now make things I never could prior to purchasing this laser. Assembly was easy. I was able to adjust the power and speed easily. Number 3. Laser engraver enclosure with exhaust fan. This enclosure effectively isolates fumes, burning odors, and noises. It protects your safety and health, creating a more comfortable indoor engraving environment. It also serves as a dustproof cover. Made with fire-retardant plexiglass fiber and double-sided silicone coating, it withstands temperatures up to 1000 degrees. We guarantee a free replacement if you can burn through it with a lighter in 5 minutes. The package includes everything you need to eliminate smoke and odor. The fan exhausts smoke through a pipe to keep the air fresh. The LED light strip provides clear visibility inside, while the viewing window protects your eyes. With dimensions of 27.5 by 27.5 by 18 inches, this enclosure fits most laser engravers. Its design allows for the inclusion of rollers, a feature not always available with other models. It comes with easy-to-follow assembly instructions and can be put together in just 10 minutes, with no tools required. The fan is detachable for easy replacement, and it's foldable for space-saving storage and easy movement. What we like. This enclosure features true fireproof material and an effective exhaust system to keep your workspace safe and clean. The all-in-one design makes it easy to set up and use. If you like a comprehensive solution that prioritizes safety and convenience, it's a great choice. What people say. The enclosure is well designed and easy to assemble. The air filter works great and keeps the smell down. The viewing window is large and provides a good view of the engraving process. Number 2. YOOPAI Laser Engraver Enclosure with Ventilation Kit. This YOOPAI enclosure features an upgraded design with a new bottom cover. It improves sealing to prevent smoke leakage and collects debris from the engraving process. This ensures a cleaner and safer work environment. The adjustable LED light provides better visibility in dimly lit environments. It allows you to monitor the engraving process with ease. The dual view window is made of double-layered dark PVC material to reduce the blue light. The enclosure offers a super space of 28.3 by 28.3 by 15.7 inches, 72 by 72 by 40 centimeters. It is compatible with most engraving machines on the market. It provides ample room for your projects. A powerful 4,000 RPM fan rapidly exhausts smoke without adding excessive noise. The fireproof, dustproof, and waterproof shell material ensures safe operation in various scenarios. It keeps the work area clean. Check all accessories upon receiving the package. Contact us if any parts are missing or if you have assembly issues. We offer 24-hour professional service to assist you. What we like. This enclosure offers a fully enclosed design with an LED light for better visibility during engraving. It also provides a spacious interior to accommodate most laser cutters. If you have a need for a well-lit and spacious enclosure, this is the perfect option. What people say. The enclosure is well designed and easy to assemble. The viewing window is large and provides a clear view of the engraving process. The enclosure effectively contains smoke and fumes. Number 1. VIVO LE01 Extra Large Laser Engraver Protective Cover. Introducing the VIVO LE01, a protective cover designed for extra-large engravers and diode laser extension kits. It measures 55 inches by 27.5 inches by 14 inches, providing ample space for your projects. This cover is built to last, made from high-quality fabric, fiberglass rods, and reinforced plastic connectors. Safety is paramount. This cover is made of flame-retardant material, capable of withstanding temperatures up to 1000 degrees Fahrenheit. It helps prevent accidental burning, keeping smoke and odors contained during the engraving process. Keep your workspace clean and safe. Built-in ports allow you to connect an exhaust fan and pipe to remove smoke and odors. The standard 4-inch port diameters are compatible with 4 ventilation pipes, protecting you from harmful chemicals and fumes. Monitor your work with ease. The red, translucent viewing window is made of PVC for UV and blue light reduction. Remember, while it reduces light, it doesn't eliminate harmful rays, so always use protective goggles when observing the laser process. Get started quickly. Assembly is a breeze with just 3 simple steps: assemble the inner frame, place the cover, and secure the ventilation ports. It's that easy to set up and start protecting your workspace. What we like. This extra-large enclosure is designed to fit large engravers and extension kits, providing ample space for your projects. The flame-retardant material and ventilation ports ensure a safe and clean working environment. If you are working with large-scale projects, it's the ideal choice. What people say. This laser cover is perfect for all generic desktop lasers. If any other laser setup is bigger or smaller in length or width, you can modify the support structure by cutting the support tubes to fit the laser size. Reassemble the cover with Velcro strips, just glue the Velcro on, no sewing or re-gluing the seams to fit over the support structure. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.